Hello, my dear customers. This is Anna from Landpack. Today, let me introduce one of our popular and hot sale mini and desk visual counting machine. This counting machine is suitable for the tiny electronic parts and hardware pins, like these two products. It can suitable for thousands of these tiny products for visual counting. And this is widely used for the raw materials handover from the supplier to our purchasing department or warehouse, and also for interior use is very suitable. And this is just very easy to operate it. It's just plug in, and for the electronic plug-in, just it is okay. So this is the first part for pulling your products, bulk products from here, and after that, this is a conveyor wheeling. This is a conveyor belt. It is just a vibration for your products. From the third part, this is the third part for the visual counting system here, and this is for the output. So you can see from the touch screen, this is all operated on the touch screen. So for the projects, you can do thousands of products. This is all our testing before. Okay, you just can see there are more collectors in hardwares, nuts, and also screws. An electronic one and also for the products. Okay, so let's see how it's working. Okay. So when it be running, you pour the goods from here and vibration from the belt, and then the lights will be on and shows on the finished one. During the visual counting, all the cameras will be captured here and the counting numbers will be shown here. So we can support it for your OEM and ODM orders. This is widely used for the startup business. We were waiting for your order. Thank you.